In this video, I will show you how to create a channel on Imo. Now, to make an Imo channel, you need first to come to this contact section here, then tap channels. And on this next screen, you need to tap this plus button to start creating your channel. And as you can see, you need to enter your channel name and add a description below here. And you can also add an avatar for your channel. And after that, you need to tap this check mark to create your channel. Then go on to invite friends on this next screen. And on your channel, you can add posts below here and even share your channel to other contacts, groups and social media platforms. And if you go to your channel profile, you can add a greeting message below here and still add more followers and share your channel. And you can also edit your channel profile. And to delete your Imo channel, you can first delete all the channel posts. And after that, you need to come to this notification section, then tap and add on your channel and go on to hide and close your channel. Now, if you find this video helpful, click the like button below. And if you want to grow and succeed on Imo and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.